Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use refinance calculator on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner we have the buy, rent, we have the sell, home loans, and find the agent. We also have the manage rentals, advertise help, and your profile. And of course the search bar here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the refinance calculator on Zillow. So go to Zillow website and navigate to the refinance calculator. Then input details about your existing loan, such as the current loan amount, interest rate, and remaining term. Provide information about the new loan you're considering, including the new loan amount, interest rate, and term. Include any fees associated with the refinancing. Click the calculate button to the potential savings and new monthly payment. The calculator will help you determine if refinancing is beneficial by comparing your current loan with the new loan terms. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.